Welcome to the Sonoma County Library video channel. We post new videos every week, so bookmark, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Hi everyone, this is Miss Kim from the Sonoma County Library. Welcome to our Crafting at Home series. Today we have a very fun craft for you. Now be sure to check out our library website, sonomalibrary.org, for more information and resources. Now, let's get started with our craft. Okay, everyone, here is my workstation. What we're going to make today is a phone speaker. I've got a paper towel roll, my cell phone, and 2 cups left over from long ago. What I'm going to do first is grab a pen and see where the middle of my paper towel roll is, and trace a light shape of how long my phone is. Looks there. That's about the middle. Okay, so now I'm going to cut into that. Perfect. I made a little puncture in the middle with my pen so that it'll be easier to fit my scissors in. Needs to be a little bit more. And we'll need to work a little bit about taking a little bit out so that you can actually put your phone in. Maybe easier. Let's see. There. All right. Got that fitting. Of course, now that I have that there, it's great, except it falls over. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to use these 2 cups to hold it up. So this is how I want it to fit. We're going to be making them go on the sides, not like inside to the side. So I'm going to get up my pen and kind of poke a hole in the side of this cup. That way I can use some scissors or kind of just break it with my fingers to add more space until it is big enough to fit this. Okay, let's see. Let's try and put it in. There we go. Perfect. It's already holding better now. Just need to do the other side. Right there. Perfect. And what you can do with the rest of this is you can also decorate it with wrapping paper or washi tape or markers and Sharpies. You have lots of options. I'm leaving mine like this right now, but you can decorate it. Okay. So make sure on the inside there's some room for the sides to, they're not flat against the cup. Thankfully your cup is not going to have it be too flat. All right, so now I have a holder for my phone. I can hit play and the music will project much better than it did when I was just playing it on my phone. And it's light, I can move it around. There we go. A DIY speaker. So now I think what I'm going to do next is probably grab a bunch of washi tape and Sharpies and cover up all of these sides because it's not very pretty right now. Useful, but not very pretty. So feel free to decorate it however you want. Make sure you can add like some rocks or cool marbles to weigh down your cups a little bit so that your phone doesn't topple it over if your phone's really big and angled. You can kind of rotate this if it ever moves so that it's a little bit better positioned. Lots of things. Now have fun playing music throughout the house. Thank you everyone for joining me today. That was so much fun. Please post pictures of your completed craft on social media so we can all see. We miss you terribly. Can't wait to see you in person again. Please stay safe, stay well, and thank you so much for joining me. Check back for more videos every week.